Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to organize, how to make your life a bit easier, okay? So technically, I'm going to talk to you about Notion. Have you ever heard about Notion? In this video, we're going to talk about it, okay? So technically, this is going to be the landing page of Notion. This is upon registering your account. And yes, you heard me right, it requires an account because this is a personal website. Imagine having your diary or your journal within a website incorporated with different project management tools. That being said, please guys, I'm gonna ask you before we start that get a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil would do, or just hit up your handy dandy notepad on your PC. Again, this is how a notepad should look like. It's gonna be the white background right there. If you don't have a notepad, I think Notes is the different or second name for it. Anyway, you can also use, I think, your video recorder, or just go back to the YouTube video if you have things to review, okay? And by the way, you can see I'm using Microsoft Edge over here. If you want to use Google Chrome, Opera Mini, I'm not sure if it's there, but Firefox is also okay, even Safari, as long as, of course, you have access to our internet, okay? And that being said, please use any account. You can use Gmail or Facebook upon registering to Notion, and just make sure that you have access to those accounts, okay? Because Notion is going to send a verification code upon registering where you need to confirm it, and then that's the time where you're going to create your account. And by the way, it's just easy as pie regarding the questions, and upon registering the account, it's going to be, I think, they're going to set the streamlining basics to get you what the best feature available for your Notion. Okay? So this is going to be the Notion landing page. Again, as you can see on the left section, there are a lot of tools right here. We have getting started, quick note, personal homepage right there, task list. Let me just expand everything so we can see all of the features available for us. Okay, that's it. So first things first, getting started. Here is the thing I like Notion. For all of the beginners out there, here are the basics. So click anywhere and just start typing. Click on that one if you were good now. Hit this slash icon to see all the types of content you can add. Headers, videos, subpages, etc. Let's try it out. Okay. Click on the sub. I'm showing the dash right there. You can add text, page, to-do list, heading, table, bullet list, and so on and so forth. Let's try using this one. Let's add a to-do list. Now, to-do list example, grocery shopping at 10:30 a. Or just say 1300. Let's just say 10:30 in the morning. Okay. Next one, pick up the car. Easy as that. Now, if you're done with this, next one is gonna be highlight any text and use the menu that pops up to style your writing. If as you can see here, guys, it's pretty friendly. The user icon or the UI is pretty friendly. Just highlight the text you want to edit. For example, this grocery or this card just here. Now, anything that pops up right there, you can either bold it up or you can italicize it, underline, and so on and so forth. Even create an equation out of it. You can even mention a person or a date or a page. And you heard you right. You can mention a person. So this Notion isn't just for you. You can add people with this one where you can collab, you can actually what do they call this? A bond? It's not really bonding, more of an interaction within Notion. Imagine Discord with a bit of a professional side. Okay? You can also comment on this one, for example, car. Add a comment, the red car, to be specific, and then you can also add the file here. Again, also you can mention a person right there with your workspace, of course. Regarding that one, let's tackle in the next video how to add people on your workspace. So I don't know if you noticed this one, but if you highlight it again, you're gonna see this option right here. Ask AI, right? Since ChatGPT came out, guys, to be honest, personally, I love AI right now. So all of the applications, actually, since ChatGPT came out, the majority of the applications starting from Microsoft 365, Bard, Google Bard, AI, I have videos about it, please check it out. So AI has become a trend. AI is the thing right now, so most of the product or even applications has AI. Let's try it out. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing this on Notion. Okay, so let's try Ask AI. So improve writings, fix spelling and grammar, make it shorter, make it longer, change tone, simplify language. translate, and so on and so forth. Let's try this out. Let's try make it longer. Now AI is writing the term grocery is often used to refer a store. It's pretty good, right? You can easily replace selection, insert below, or continue writing, or try again if you don't like what AI gave you. Now with that one, click on disregard if you don't like it. Again, as AI, you can either simplify the language. Let's try it out. There's no response because this is the simplified version of it. Now discard right there. Last one. Let's try giving it, making it shorter. Let's try if they can make it shorter. So food shopping rather than grocery shopping is just the same. Let's replace the selection right there. Perfect. Okay. Now click the plus new page button at the bottom bar sidebar to add the new page, or see this icon right here to the left of this checkbox to hover. Click and drag to move this line. So this icon right here, if you can see it, you can just drag the specific tops or specific things you want to drag on the to-do list. For example, this car. I want to move it on the top of the list. I should just do that easily. Now, check this, check that, everything's good. Now click the new page button at the bottom of your sidebar to add a new page. So at the bottom of your sidebar, this one right here, add the page. Now what will our page name? Again, start writing with AI, simple as that. So ask AI to write anything. Give me a page tile regarding men's clothes. Men's clothes, easy as that. So men's clothing, that's the tile that AI gave us. So let's try making it longer. Welcome to our men's clothing page where we offer etc etc. Now you can also try again. AI response can be inaccurate or misleading, make it longer. That's actually good. I like the first one better, by the way. So this is gonna be the last one, and actually this is good now. So since AI made the error earlier, here's a longer title for men's shop. So again, this is good. Let's go with this one and just delete this one right here. So this is gonna be our tile, okay, on our page. And by the way, you can add your icon right here. Let's try using this one since this is a clothing icon. Clothes right there. Give me a second. It's the same as Loop, the new app right now. If you want to check it out, I have a video about it under Microsoft 365. Please check it out, okay? So a comment from this one: fresh, new, fresh and new. Simple as that. Perfect. And by the way, guys, this comment can also be deleted by you if you want to delete it. So this is gonna be a cover photo. Let's just try it out. There are gonna be change cover, reposition. Let's try position right there. Easy as that. You can click on change cover again. With this one, there is a pre-selected template over here. Now, if you don't want this one, just upload your own photo or your own link over here. Okay? So with this one, this is gonna be your new page right now. What can we do on a page? So since we need to do something, click on the slash right there, click on to-do list, and just add anything you want to do. For example, buy new clothes, get new people, invite people on this page. So this is just gonna be one of the things that you should do regarding this new header, or actually new page, and that's how you create a page on Notion, right? Now, for example, we want to check a recommended journal from people inside Notion. Click on journal right there, and I think these are gonna be one of the things that people created before. Click on reading list right here. There you go. So these are the reading lists created from a few people that are saved on Notion. Reading lists. For example, this one is from Kara Swisher, who will teach the next Silicon Valley. Let's just click on next fix right here. It's still in progress. Click on that one. Give me a second. So with this one, you can comment here regarding the topic that we explain. They have the link, they have the status, everything is good here. You can comment, you can key takeaways regarding the specific topic that Ezra Klein and Joe are talking about. This is what I'm talking about regarding interaction within Notion. It's not just you, it's not just someone. You can have a group of people. Imagine Discord. Like I said earlier, imagine Discord being a more organized and more professional application, not just for gaming, but for organizing your daily life, okay? Let me just check my recording right here to make sure everything's good. And with that, I think we covered most of the basics of Notion. So this is just gonna be limited by your imagination how to use it, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.